Gates open. That up and racing. Big Bang draws for your lead. Running on the outside, Grand Affair, Good Humor, Paring, Hilton. Running down on the inside, Dagundong racing in P, followed by entry number 2, Kay Maki, Rocking Miss. And Spanish Drums is running at the tail of the field. Past the last 900, Big Bang in command by Alenk running by the rail now, moving up is Paring Hilton as they pass the last 800 and going to the final 600. Big Bang once again grabs the lead on the outside over Paring Hilton in second. Racing in third by the rail, Good Humor, Grand Ferry on the outside and catching the third spot. Dagundong fading out, moving up kay Maki, Rocking Miss. Spanish Drums is still in behind them as they turn for home. Big Bang this time by about a length and a half over Paring Hilton. Moving up now on the outside kay Maki, Grand Affair, Good Humor in between runners. With the last 100 meters more to run, we have Jeff Sarate on Big Bang by about 4 and finally Big Bang. Kay Maki, Grand Affair, Good Humor, Dumadagundong, Paring Hilton, Rocking Miss, and Spanish Drums.